Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. This language arts session will be on the gender of nouns. Now, any noun that you are given will have some gender. Remember, gender does not automatically refer to only male or female. Rather, we have 4 main genders in English. So that means that we have 4 genders to classify any noun that you may see. The first gender is the masculine. As you know, the masculine gender refers to a male animal or a male person. Therefore, some examples of masculine gender nouns are boy, brother, uncle, ram, bachelor, bull, and other masculine words. Therefore, when you hear the word brother, you automatically know that that is a male person, meaning that word is masculine in gender. These are very common in our everyday life, so think of more masculine words that you know. Remember, people are not only masculine, you also have masculine animals. Think of these words also. We then go on to another common form of gender, the opposite of the masculine gender, which is feminine. The feminine gender refers to any female person or animal. Some common examples are sister, aunt, daughter, cow, and other feminine words. Think of some others that you may know. Another one could be grandmother. When we hear the word grandmother, you automatically know that this person is female, which means that this person is of feminine gender. We then have the common gender. When referring to gender, the word common means that this word does not directly give you the exact gender of the person or animal in question, meaning the word given cannot tell you masculine or feminine. For example, the word teacher. You can have a male teacher, you can also have a female teacher. Therefore, the word teacher cannot tell you an exact gender. This would mean that that word is common. Some other examples of nouns that are common in gender are doctor, nurse, student, friend, pupil, cousin, and there are many others. If you give general group words for animals, for example, reptile, mammal, etc., that cannot give you a gender, so therefore these are also known as common. The final group regarding gender of nouns is known as the neuter gender. When something is neuter in gender, this means that it is inanimate. When something is inanimate, this refers to the fact that it is not living. Words like pencil, eraser, table, computer, desk, etc. are all parts of the neuter gender because these things are not living. An animal cannot be part of the neuter gender because it is alive. You will never have a word referring to a person being neuter in gender because people are living creatures. Neuter gender refers to inanimate things, which are things without life. Just a quick recap. The four main genders in English are the masculine, which refers to any male, animal, or person. Feminine, which talks about female, people, or animals. Common, which are words that do not tell you the exact gender of a person or animal. And finally, neuter, which are words which tell you about things that have no life, otherwise known as inanimate objects. Any noun that you can think of falls into one of the four categories shown here. If you think of a noun right now, you can put it in one of these four categories. To help you understand these, think of different nouns, look into your textbooks, and pick out some nouns and try to put them in the correct category. This will help you to truly understand gender. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com.